In TouchDesigner, there's a simple way to create this organic mesh by deforming a tube pop with noise and field pops followed by mathematics multiplications. If you're completely new to TouchDesigner, just comment "Guide" to receive an interactive starter kit with everything you need to learn about the program. Now let's dive in. I started with a simple render setup, 2 lights, an HDRI environment, and a vertical render feeding into an out top. For the UI, I'm using a button radio widget connected to a lag chop set to 1 and giving my control states ridiculously easy, smooth movement. For the base geometry, here is a high-res tube pop. This connects to an animated field pop driven by an LFO chop on the y-axis. This flows right into a noise pop with the lookup attributes set to weight. This is key. I used a period of 8, then multiplied it with the position using a mathmix pop to apply the mask. I repeated this exact logic for a second displacement layer using another field pop set to invert, a new noise pop, and a second mathmix. To finish the shape, it goes into a final noise pop for details, a subdivide pop at depth 2 to make it buttery smooth, a normal pop for lighting, and a transform pop to position it in space. Next, I branch this out. The first branch goes to a geo comp with a slick PBR material driven by an animated ramp top for the base color and ambient occlusion. The second branch is our wireframe layer, using the topology wireframe material with some alpha transparency. For the background, I built a smart switch system where our UI buttons swap constant chop values to dynamically control the scale of a box and grid pop inside a copy pop. Finally, the post-processing. I pushed the render through an SSAO top for deep shadows and a level top to punch up the brightness and gamma. Perfect. The UI buttons also trigger camera presets stored in the viewport. See you on the next one. I built this interactive guide to break down the core concepts of TouchDesigner so you can nail your first project from scratch. It features step-by-step videos and concrete explanations so you truly understand the software. Comment guide and I'll send you the starter kit.